Aha. Let's see. Will it work? Aha! Need to hide the stream key. There we go. That needs to be closed. Yeah. So let's see how sound is. This is a test. There. Don't think anyone will watch this, so it doesn't matter. I thought, maybe someday I'll just do like research streams or something like that. Cause like, I guess I'm already using eShell, so. Oh, no, I didn't do it. There we go. But, for example, I have video planned. Just going over different pieces of literature on porn. And there are my notes right here. This paper, actually, this one, as you can see, I have some fairly long notes. I quite liked this one. This paper, actually, it's right here. This is the paper. This is the paper. Quite like this one just goes over the literature on porn, certain problems with the literature, ways it could be improved. For example, defining what is porn use. Don't want to hear myself. So, defining the literature on porn, which, like, a question like what is porn use sounds like a very sued thing to say, but it kind of matters. For example, when we think about porn use, we usually think of a dude just jacking off in his room, and one association with that is, of course, negative effects on relational health. But shared porn viewing has the opposite effect, it seems. That's one thing the authors point out. Other things, of course, when porn use becomes problematic, defining that and measuring that. And there's one paper I downloaded, it was Asian, and it also had a weird definition of porn use. But it was like Chinese, and they go over different methods of measuring problematic porn usage, and comparing them. I've also, I don't know if did any of you know about this, but there's this very useful tool. Let's actually get back to here. It's called GNU Plot, and you can use it to plot out data. And I use that a bit. Like, for example, for this study, there's different associations. For example, age, use of first viewed porn, not experienced porn. But, so I made this graph, non-problematic porn use, low frequency. Non-problematic low frequency porn use, non-problematic high frequency porn use, and problematic high frequency porn use. And as you can see, the age gets progressively lower, or this one here, which is agreeableness, the personality. If you're familiar with Jordan Peterson, agreeableness, because he's all about these personality traits. And I think they're just basically, more complex versions of Harry Potter quizzes you find on BuzzFeed, but, whatever. Or this one, which is problems in bed, and as you can see, among the problematic high-frequency group that was associated, a lot of problems in bed. And I guess it should also note that these were online polls. Compulsivity, again, the personality quiz trait. Not the personality trait. Yeah. I'm dumb. Ignore what I said. Conscientiousness, the personality trait. Again, you watch Jordan Peterson, you're familiar with this stuff, since he basically dedicated his entire career to this. And, there's a lot of memes that used to go around that spread from Jordan Peterson, like, conservatives have a low disgust tolerance, and liberals lack conscientiousness. Those kinds of things. Yeah, there's different associations between porn usage of problematic, non-problematic, and other associations that it will have. But anyways, since no one is watching, I should just end this. It was a test